In today's video, I'm going to teach you how and when to use components in Jira. If you are working in a company-managed Jira project, components are a really useful way to organize work into clear, structured areas. They help you group issues by parts of a product or service, make ownership more obvious, and even automate assignment in some cases. This is especially helpful when different teams or specialists handle different parts of the work. To create and manage components, start by opening your company-managed Jira project. From inside the project, click the three-dot menu. Then go to Space Settings and select Components. This is the area where you can view existing components and create new ones for your project. Next, click Create Component. You'll be asked to fill out a few details. First, enter a name. This should be descriptive and specific enough that anyone on the team can immediately understand what area it represents. Then add a description to explain the purpose of that component more clearly. This can help reduce confusion later, especially in larger projects. After that, choose the component lead. This is the person responsible for that particular area of the project, then select the default assignee. This setting determines who issues should automatically be routed to when that component is selected. Taking a moment to set this up properly can save time and improve triage. Once your components are configured, the Components field will appear on your issue screens. When you create a new issue or edit an existing one, simply click the Components drop-down and choose the relevant area or areas. One issue can belong to multiple components, which is useful when work spans more than one part of the product. There is one important behavior to keep in mind. If you choose multiple components and those components have different default assignees, Jira will assign the issue to the person connected to the component that comes first alphabetically. So it's a good idea to be aware of that rule when using multiple selections. Now let's talk about when to use components. They're great for categorizing work, such as separating issues related to front-end, back-end, database, or API areas. They're also useful for automating assignments, since a selected component can route work automatically. Components help define ownership by linking areas of the project to a specific lead. And they improve reporting by letting you filter issues to see where effort and bottlenecks are happening. Finally, components are ideal when you want consistent, controlled tagging instead of relying on free-form labels that can become messy over time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.